Your computer could crash tomorrow. Would you be ready? Whether it's your system, your projects, or your favorite memories, MiniTool ShadowMaker can back up your data before disaster strikes. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use it in just a few minutes. MiniTool ShadowMaker is more than just a backup tool. It's your safety net. It protects you from system crashes, accidental file deletion, virus attacks, or even hard drive failure. And the best part, you don't have to be a tech expert. It's easy, automated, and super fast. After you complete the installation and you open up MiniTool ShadowMaker, this is the main dashboard. From here, you can instantly see your drives, backup status, system info, and access all the features from the left sidebar. Let's start with the most important feature, backups. You can back up your system, partitions, or files with just a few clicks. And we have sync. Need real-time file syncing? The sync feature lets you mirror folders, great for keeping files synced between a PC and an external drive. And we have restore. If anything goes wrong, the restore tab brings your files or system back to life fast. And we have manage. All your backup tasks appear in the manage tab. From here, you can view progress, edit settings, or delete backups. And we have logs. Want to see what's been done? The logs tab shows every backup event, success or error, perfect for troubleshooting or proof of compliance. Now let's take a look at the real power under the hood, the tools section. This is where MiniTool ShadowMaker sets itself apart from ordinary backup tools. Here you will find advanced utilities that are built for serious users. First, we have Media Builder. The Media Builder lets you create a bootable USB or CD DVD if your system fails to boot. This recovery drive will help you restore your system backup and get back to work fast. And we have add boot menu. Prefer not to use a USB? You can add a bootable recovery environment directly to your system's boot menu. No external device required. And we have this mount. When you mount a backup image to browse files like regular folder, you can safely remove it using the dismount tool. Clean and safe. And we have clone disk. The clone disk tool is perfect for upgrading to a new SSD or hard drive. Just pick the source and destination, and ShadowMaker takes care of the rest. And we have PXE boot. If you're managing multiple computers, PXE boot is a game changer. Boot clients, PCs over LAN without a local OS and restore backups remotely, ideal for IT admins and classrooms. And we have remote. Need to manage backups on another computer? Just use the remote feature. Connect to another PC on your local network and control ShadowMaker remotely. And finally, the System Booster helps clean and optimize your Windows system for better performance, free up junk files, fix registry issues, and give your PC a fresh breath. As you can see, MiniTool ShadowMaker Pro is more than backup software. It's a complete disaster recovery and system management toolkit. Whether you are a casual user or an IT pro, this software has your back, literally. And the best part, you can try it right now. Link in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Big thanks to MiniTool for supporting this video, and I'll see you in the next one, and have a good day. Thank you for watching.